Let's take a 1 minute walk through this huge basement space at the property in Golden. We're starting with the dining area. Here in the still photo, we have the area set up with a makeshift countertop, which is a little more elaborate than it used to be in the video. Just wanted to give you a basic lay of the land of the entire space. Here's a big closet, plenty of extra seating. You can see a modern bath with tub and shower, and this is the enclosed bedroom. Very big room. Here we have it set up with 2 queen beds plus this armoire and a big private closet. We can set it up any way we choose, of course. Now walking through the what I call the dormitory style sleeping area. I believe in this video we have 7 beds set up. Several of them are queen size beds. A look at the closet in the back of the space. We have dressers in this sleeping area. Here's another quick look at the sleeping area, and we will finish up with a look at the dining area and the very big enclosed bedroom.